In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload documents to a Confluence page. Whether you're new to Confluence or just need a quick refresher, this guide will take you through the process step by step, ensuring that your documents are where you need them when you need them. So let's dive right in. First, head over to the Confluence homepage. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account, as you won't be able to make any edits or upload documents without being signed in. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will help you navigate more efficiently. Next, navigate to the specific Confluence page where you want to add your document. This could be for a project, a personal log, or any other type of documentation space you've set up. Finding the right page is crucial, so double check to ensure you're in the correct space. You can usually do this by reviewing the space overview or using the search bar if you have many pages. Once you're on the desired page, look for the Edit button, typically located at the top right of the page. Clicking this will open the page editor. Now you're in a special mode where you can make changes and add content as you see fit, so take a moment to get familiar with the editing tools available. After the page editor has opened, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here, you'll need to click on the Add Image or Media icon, which resembles a small picture or camera. This icon gives you access to a variety of media options, but for now we're focused on document uploads. With the media dialog open, you'll see an option to upload. Clicking on this brings up an Explorer window on your computer. Navigate through your files to find the document you'd like to upload. It's worth noting that Confluence supports various file types, including PDFs, Word documents, and images. Select the file you'd like to upload, then click Open to start the transfer to Confluence. Depending on the size of your document and your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a bit longer. Once the document is uploaded, it should appear in the editor where you can preview how it looks or make any additional notes. Finally, don't forget to click Publish or Update to save your changes. This ensures that your document is properly uploaded and accessible to anyone who has permission to view the page. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward process for uploading documents to a Confluence page. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out for more information.